Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix can't connect to network problem on your Windows 11 system. In the first step, we need to right click here and select Task Manager. Then click on Run New Task and then select Browse button. After that, we need to click on this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. After that, find out system32 folder and open it. Now find cmd.exe file, select it and click on open. After that, check this box and click on OK. Once you are here, we need to execute some commands. Type in netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. Once done, type in netsh space int space ip space reset dot log and hit enter. Once you are here, we need to type ipconfig space slash flush DNS then type exit to close the command prompt window. Once done, let's move to the next step. Go to the settings and click here to open it. Now we need to click on network and internet, then just scroll down, go to advanced network settings. Now click on more network adapter options, then just close this. You will get the Wi-Fi connection here. In my system it's showing Ethernet, so I will right click here, select properties, then go to IPv4. Then we need to select this, obtain an IP address automatically, and from here select this, then click on OK. Then close this window. Again, go to settings, then again select network and internet. Now select advanced network settings, click on network reset and simply select reset now. Select S. Now close this window and simply restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you are good to go.